Okay, so let's make a door. Let's make a door between these two rooms. We're going to make the door on this wall right here. The first step is to create the space for the doorway. So let's go grab our drawing tool and we'll decide where we're going to put our door, somewhere in the middle here. So I'm going to say I'm going to start the door off right here. And I'm going to draw a line across that wall, straight line. And now I'm going to measure the space for our doorway. Now the space for our doorways is going to be 3 feet 6 inches. That's a standard, and that's what we're going to use for our drawings for this floor plan. 3 feet 6 inches for doorways. Okay, so let's take my handy dandy measuring tape here, and we're going to measure up. I'm going to click there and measure up 3 feet 6 inches. Hit enter. Okay, and now we've measured up to this little point here. Now I can take my drawing tool again, make another line across here, and now I've drawn the space for my door. We just have to cut it out now. So I'm going to take my eraser tool, and I'm going to erase this line, and then I'm going to erase this line, and there we have it. There's the space cut out through the wall for our doorway. Now we just have to make the door. And here we have some decisions to make. We can have the door on this edge and open into here. We can have the door on this edge and have it open this way. We can have the door here and have it open like that. Or we can have the door here and have it open in there like that. It's usually best to have your doors open against a wall so that they're not opening into the room and taking away space from the room. It's also a good thing not to have your doors open in the middle of the room, because if someone's standing over here and someone comes out of the closet, and that door whacks them in the head. Okay, so we also don't want to open doors into a small room where there might not be space. This is a closet, so it's probably going to be full of stuff. So let's have our door open outwards and against this wall. So I'm going to take my drawing tool and I'm going to start drawing my door. I'm going to start drawing it on, I'm going to draw it on an angle. It doesn't matter what angle, but try to eyeball that about 45 degrees. And what's the length of our door? 3 feet 6 inches. Hit enter. Okay, and there's our door. So now we just have to indicate which way how this door is swinging. Okay, and we're going to do that by drawing an arc. So let's get out of the drawing tool by hitting escape. And I'm going to go over and click my arc tool. This is the arc tool right here. All right, so let's take the top one. The top one's the one we're going to use. Watch how this works. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click on the bottom of my door, and then I'm going to click at the top of my door, and then I'm going to just swing it over and match it up with the wall. And there is your door.